We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7 by 16 by 2 foot telescopic dump trailer from Gorilla. This does have your I-beam frame, adjustable coupler, as well as the heavy-duty jack and safety chains. Here we have the telescopic cylinder, as well as the hydraulic box. There are stake pockets along the side of the trailer, as well as where you would mount your tarp kit. This is a tandem axle, so you're going to have two Greaseable 7,000-pound axles with 16-inch wheels and tires. There's the diamond plate fenders, as well as LED drive lights. This does have barn doors at the rear, as well as your slide out ramps underneath the trailer. On the passenger side, there is a spare tire mount as well. Once again, this is the 7 by 16 by 2 foot telescopic dump trailer from Gorilla with I-beam. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.